Alright, so here's my weigh-in for March 1st, 2013. I am doing this weigh-in in conjunction with a friend as we share our weight loss journey. I will weigh in 3 times to make sure that it's accurate. I will point out this is that time of the month, so prayerfully I didn't pick up any pounds, but maybe stable. I'll tap the scale to turn it on. Step on. Alright, 226.8. Step off. I'm going to tap it again. I'll step on. 226.8. Step off. I'm going to tap again. Well, yeah, there we go. I'll tap again. Step on. Get adjusted. 226.8. So I did not pick up any pounds. I was at 226.4. So that's 4 ounces up. And I will say that that is probably due to water retention, things of that nature. So I'm happy with that. I'm steady.